I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and opening settings now. Make sure your phone is updated to Android 11 Plus or iOS 13 Plus because the voice service needs modern APIs. Once done, grant microphone and accessibility permissions so the system can hear and control apps. Without both, commands fail. Also enable Wi-Fi or cellular so the voice model can download quickly. Now go to Accessibility and locate Voice Access or Voice Control. You're about to enable the feature and begin configuration immediately. Next, turn on Voice Access or Voice Control and follow the prompts. This registers the service with accessibility and requests needed permissions. You'll choose Awake Phrase or Persistent Listening. Pick Persistent only if you accept battery trade-offs. Then adjust microphone sensitivity and language for accuracy. Once those basics are set, customize commands, enable app-specific actions, add shortcuts, and map phrases to common sequences. This is where you make voice control match how you use your phone, so spend a few minutes tailoring it. To finish, run through a command checklist. Say open, tap, scroll, and navigate home and back to confirm responses. If recognition is off, retrain the voice model or tweak sensitivity. Repeated misrecognitions often improve after a short training session. Make sure languages and regional settings match your speech. If problems persist, restart the voice access service or reboot the phone. As a last resort, disable and reinstall the feature. Troubleshooting this way resolves most issues quickly and gets you back to hands-free control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.